What's up, everyone? We are going to be talking about Dfinity's internet computer today. We will cover ecosystem news, charts, everything under the sun. Let's get into this. So we got a banger of a tweet from Lumos Labs. We can't keep it a secret any longer. We are excited to launch our flagship hackathon. Now you'll notice that Dfinity is one of the sponsors alongside Polygon and Eternity. There are also some smaller sponsors, Tezos, Tatum, Fluence, a few others. But this is cool. There are over 1,750 devs building. So hackathons are awesome because people will just hack away for days and days and days, weeks, trying to build the best dApp possible. And there's an incentive, a big time cash reward. So there is a prize pool of $100,000. It's incentivizing developers to really kind of go for it. Build some quality dApps. We've got a tweet out of Dfinity as well talking about Origin. I am so bullish on Origin, folks. I have done several videos on Origin and the Origin Foundation. They are leading this incredible crusade against all this counterfeiting, especially in the watchmaking industry. There's billions and billions of dollars worth of fraudulent watches being put on the market every single year. And so what Origin is aiming to do is they are using like AI and like all this crazy stuff in like these little boxes and machines that end users can throw their watch in, and AI and all this stuff will guarantee that watch is authentic. Super cool, folks. I hate the counterfeit stuff. I think we have all accidentally, or maybe on purpose, purchased some counterfeit goods. It doesn't feel right. It's cheap. It's a knockoff. It's not the real deal. I mean, I get it. It's just, you can actually buy the OGY token like in SonicSwap. I know that it's super cheap right now, not financial or trading advice, but man, when it comes to Origin, I am super bullish on what they got going. In fact, I will throw a video in the end screen. If you want to stick around and watch that, you're more than welcome to. Let's talk about jobs in the IC ecosystem. Now, folks, a lot of great opportunities are available during the bear markets. You can get grants for just about anything, including community relations, which is what I operate under. You can get some developer grants. You can even get like a full-time job working for these applications. Fleek's hiring, big time. We got Dfinity hiring. You can be a personal assistant if you're in Zurich. Research engineer in San Fran. I mean, there's so many other applications that are hiring within Dfinity and the whole entire ecosystem. Really, make some money in the bear market. Why not, right? I will throw a link to this job board in the description and pinned comment as well. We got a tweet, folks. A tweet out of the one and only Dominic Williams, folks. 231 million ransomware attacks in the first half of 2022. 231 million? Like, wow. Oh, that's sickening. And we all know how susceptible crypto is to these ransomware attacks, especially if these bridges are just kind of thrown up without proper thought, things like that. But Dom goes on to say, better future, build everything on-chain using smart contracts on the internet computer. Don't need firewalls to protect them. Can't get encrypted by ransomware. He's got a point. SonicWall has this free cybersecurity report that you can download. I haven't read it yet, but I plan on it. BitBoy Crypto will be speaking in Miami at the Women's Web3 Miami Summit here. This is happening in December, folks. November 30th through December 1st. 2 days, 150 plus speakers, 80 exhibits. Let me know if you guys are planning on going. I'm thinking about it. I'm really considering going to this. I personally owe a lot to women in Web3 as a part of my career in the cryptocurrency industry. I will say this. There are 2 women out there that I wouldn't be here without. So I am maybe 3. Actually, there is 3 people, 3 women that I would not be here without, that have really made my quality of life so much better. I can't even tell you guys how much it's changed my life. So, big respect to the women in Web3 all around. No doubts about that. We got a tweet out of Mark Jimenez. Big man things. Price went up, baby. And so we'll talk about the price tags now. How about that? So on TikTok, I'm active again. You know what I'm saying? So here we are. We're rolling out video after video after video after video. And if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, check me out. But I dropped a real video, a hard video the other day. Bitcoin is on the edge of losing market dominance. I also uploaded it as a YouTube short today. Didn't do very well. But my point was that in the video I was saying we are seeing this rising wedge form, and as of last night, this was right about here, and this was a bearish pattern to be seen in the markets. So what I'm saying here is that in these videos I did yesterday is that we are going to see Bitcoin's dominance drop, and it's dropping. But the thing about it is this is not a very large rising wedge. So it is what it is. So we got this to drop. And what happened with all the other coins? Well, let's check out CKB. It started taking off. Dogecoin took off to the moon. So when we saw that lack of Bitcoin dominance, we saw some of the alts, not all of them, but some of the alts really kind of flourish. Here is the total crypto market cap. Yeah, this is a direct result of what I was talking about yesterday. So on to the ICP chart, you can even see how ICP was impacted by this. Now, ICP is in this interesting situation. Let's just really start at this weekly chart, and then we will hone in on what exactly is going on. So right now, we've got this symmetrical triangle kind of squeeze that's going on the weekly. And I do think that we might be filling this out for another week or two. But I do think within the next couple of weeks, we have a chance of seeing $5.63 somewhere in that neighborhood. I'm hoping we don't see the markets drop. This could be some sort of a bull trap. So keep that in mind. Let's look at the daily on this. Now, in some of the videos that I was doing earlier on ICP, for the daily chart, I was speculating how we need price action to maybe come up and trade through this daily part of the Ichimoku cloud. If we can get price action above the Ichimoku cloud, that would be wonderful. Because guess what, folks? 1-2 times in ICP's history, entire history, its price has only been above the Ichimoku cloud on the daily twice. And as you guys know, BitBoy Crypto exposed FTX for their nasty little shenanigans that they've been pulling on Internet Computer. And guess what? We're on a network. I'll link that video in the end screen as well. So with that said, we've got kind of a nice little, quite possibly a little ascending triangle that could be forming out here. And I say that because when I go and drop, bear with me 1 second, this horizontal line right about, let's just go like right in here. You know, we could be gearing up to see, some sort of lows getting higher and we might come and press up against this $5.15-ish level area. Wouldn't surprise me if we did. Currently, right now, let's just switch over to like a 1 hour chart. ICP, we got a nice bull flagpole. Really nice. And this is, it kind of was a definition of a flag. So this is a good indication that the previous trend will continue. And once you know it, there's almost like a little bit of a cup and handle that could form here as well. So hopefully we see that happen, and hopefully we get some gains here. I'm going to have to do a little bit of a video here to see if maybe there is some sort of Wyckoff pattern in here, because it looks like we've got a nice auto rally here, and it looks like we might have a spring here. So we might be playing into some sort of Wyckoff pattern. Stick around. I think on Thursday I will drop a video on if Internet Computer is possibly in this Wyckoff pattern. So for now, bulls and bears are really tugging at each other, man. We're seeing wicks to the downside, to the upside. People are selling, people are buying. It's pretty crazy. So yeah, there might be a little bit of Elliott wave theory here to the upside, and this could be what's bringing us up to this $5.15 level that I speculate we could possibly be going to. Other than that, folks, I mean, it's pretty straightforward here. We're just going to have to kind of wait and see what happens. So thanks again, everyone, for sticking around. If you enjoyed this video, I would truly appreciate your support. If you could just hit that like button, subscribe, or possibly share the video. Let me know what your thoughts are on the market in the comments. I love to see what everyone else is saying. So we'll see you all on the next video.